Hello friends, welcome back to today's session, Practical Geometry. Today we are going to do the last exercise, that is some special cases that up till now we had learned different type of quadrilaterals with 5 measurements or 4 measurements like that. Now some special cases are there, just like square, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. For that it is not necessary to have 5 measurements. With 1 or 2 measurements also it can be drawn. That type of questions we are going to learn today. So first question is square READ with R equal to 5.1 centimeter. That is, in a square R, well, I have drawn the rough diagram here. R equal to 5.1 centimeter. That is, only one side is given. That is, only one measurement is given. Then also we can draw this square. How is it possible? See, we know that in a square, all sides are equal, all angles are right angles. These two properties we are going to use to draw this diagram. So here RE equal to 5.1. This is the rough diagram. Then we can write EA also equal to 5.1. Then DA also 5.1. RD also equal to 5.1. And we know that all angles are right angles. So angle R equal to 90 and angle E equal to 90. So we have got 5 measurements. So we can draw this square. And I have shown the diagram here. First we are going to draw RE of 5.1 centimeter. Then at R we will construct angle 90 degree ray like this. Then with the compass radius cutting we will get the point D of 5 centimeter radius. Similarly with the E also we will construct angle 90 degree ray like this. Then taking radius 5.1 centimeter we will draw arc to cut that point A. So we have got A and D also. 2 points already we have. So 2 more points getting joining, we will get a square. That is the real construction I will show you after this. Now one more question we are going to discuss today. That is a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. We have drawn this type of questions in the last week. That is, rhombus can be drawn with 2 diagonals. So here also 2 diagonals are given. Here name of the rhombus not given. So I have taken the name as A, B, C, D. Any name we can write. Now 2 diagonals, one diagonal AC I have taken as 6.4 centimeter, another diagonal BD taken as 5.2 centimeter. We have already done this. So what is the property of diagonals? In rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at a right angle. That is, AC and BD are the diagonals. They will intersect at a point O at 90 degree and they will bisect also. Bisect means divide into 2 equal parts. That is, AO will be equal to OC and BO will be equal to DO. So, first of all, we have to start with one diagonal. So, I have drawn. So, first of all, what we are going to do, we will draw diagonal, any one of the diagonal we can. I have drawn the diagram here. See, first I have started with diagonal AC of length 6.4 centimeter. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AC that you had already learned in the lower classes. So how will you draw? With A center radius more than half of AC, we have to draw arc on the upper side and lower side. Similarly, with CS center keeping the same radius, we have to draw in the arc in the upper and lower region. Then we will get this line segment as the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector will be passing through the midpoint of AC and at the same time it will be perpendicular. Now on this perpendicular bisector, the other 2 points of the rhombus will lie. So other diagonal is of length 5.6. See, what is that? BD of length 5.2. So half of that OB and OD are the half part of that. So OD and OB equal to 5.2 divided by 2 equal to 2.6. So taking radius 2.6 centimeter with OS center, we have to draw arc on the upper side and lower side of AC. So you will get a point B and D joining, you will get the rhombus. And this construction of both these we are learning through the video now. I will show you the video now. Okay, children, we are going to draw first one square READ. As I have drawn the rough diagram, first we are going to draw line segment RE of length 5.1 centimeter. So I will draw here RE of length 5.1 centimeter. 0 to 5.1. 5.1. RE of length 5.1 centimeter. Now what we are going to do, as we are seeing the rough diagram, at the point R we are going to construct 90 degree, and we have done 90 degree construction many times. It is very easy for you now. So with R as center, any convenient radius, we have to draw an arc keeping the same radius. Draw an arc, and keeping at this point, draw an arc. Now it is smaller radius you can take from this point, keeping we can draw an arc, and at this point keeping a center also draw an arc. So we have got point, we have to draw a ray. Draw ray, and we can give the name here as X. So at the point R, we have constructed angle 90 degree. Now we know the length of RD. RD is of length 5.1 centimeter. So taking radius 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 centimeter with R as center and the radius 5.1 centimeter. Draw an arc. For that arc cutting, what is that point? It will be the point D, and it is of length 5.1 centimeter. Similarly, at the point E also 90 degree. In the square, all angles are right angles. So at the point E also we are going to construct angle 90 degree. So with the E as center, any convenient radius, draw arcs now keeping this point as center, same radius, draw an arc. Now keeping this point as center and draw one more arc. Now keeping little less radius than this, draw arc on the upper region 1, and we are keeping with the other. Both the arc intersecting, we will get the ray. Point of intersection, and we will draw the ray. We can give the name Y. So at E also we have constructed angle 90 degree. Now we know the length of EA is also 5.1 centimeter. So take the radius 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 centimeter radius with the E as center, radius 5.1 centimeter. Draw an arc. What is the point of intersection? Will be A. There is a point of intersection. We can name it as A. Now we have to join D and A. So joining them, we will get the line segment. So READ square is constructed. I am saying the steps. What are the steps? First step, draw line segment RE of length 5.1 centimeter. Second step, construct angle ERX equal to 90 degree at R. Third step, with R as center and radius 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect ray RX at D. Similarly, next step, construct angle REY equal to 90 degree at T. Next step, with E as center and radius here 5.1 centimeter. Draw R to intersect ray EY at A. Join DA. So square READ is ready. So we have completed first question. Now we are going to draw second question now. See what is second question? Second question is a rhombus. A rhombus whose diagonals are given 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Here no name given, so I have drawn a rough diagram with the name A, B, C, D. Here one diagonal is AC and another diagonal is BD, and they are intersecting at the point O. So we are using the property that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. That property we are using. So we know that first we are going to draw line segment AC, that is one diagonal of length 6.4 centimeter. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector. So other diagonal will be equally divided into two parts, that is 5.2 centimeter. So OB will be half of 5.2, that is 2.6. Similarly, OD also will be 2.6. That is the thing we are going to do. Now we will start the construction. First we will draw one diagonal AC of 6.4 centimeter. Zero to 6.4 here. It is AC. Its length is 6.4 centimeter. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment AC. You are learning in smaller classes how to draw the perpendicular bisector. That is, take the radius more than half of AC. I have taken the radius more than half of AC with A as center. Draw arc on the upper side and one arc at the lower side. Similarly, keeping the same radius with C as center, draw arc in the upper region and the lower region, that is on both the sides. One side is another side here, on both the sides of line segment AC, and join the point of intersection of arcs. Then join, we can give the name as XY, not necessary, or if you want you can give. Now here point of the bisector intersecting line segment AC, we can give the name O. So here 90 degree we have got, that is we have divided the line segment AC into two equal parts, and at the same time this line segment is perpendicular, that is here 90 degree angle we have constructed. Now we know the length of the diagonal, other diagonal is 5.2. So upper side half of 5.2, 2.6 will come, lower side also 2.6 will come. So for that how will you do? So with the O as center, and how much is the radius we have to take? 2.6. 2.6. Here is 2.6. So see, with the O as center, radius, this is O as center, radius 2.6. Draw one arc in the upper region and the same way in the lower region, both the region. So we have drawn arc on the upper region and the lower region. Upper region cutting, what is the point here? A, then B, then C. Here it will be D. And the lower A, then here it will be B. So what is its length? 2.6 centimeter. It is also of length 2.6 centimeter. So we have got all the four vertices of the rhombus. A, B, C, D. Join all the four sides. See, first I am joining A and B. So I have got A, B. Then another side B, C. Join B, C. Then third side C, D, and fourth side is A, D. So we have got all the four sides, and our rhombus A, B, C, D is ready with the two diagonals AC and B. Now steps I am saying. First draw line segment AC of length 6.4 centimeter. Then with A as center, radius more than half of AC, draw arc in the upper region, lower region, that is on both the sides of line segment AC. Similarly, with C as center and keeping the same radius, draw arc on both the sides of line segment AC. Draw a line segment joining the point of intersection of arcs. Now, next step, with O as center, radius 2.6 centimeter, draw arc on both the sides of line segment AC. And name the point of intersection of arc as B and D. Then join AB, BC, CD, DA. And our rhombus ABCD is ready. Now see the steps as I had explained. First, draw a line segment RE of 5.1 centimeter length. Second, construct angle ERX equal to 90 degree at R. Third, with R as center, draw an arc of radius 5.1 centimeter to intersect ray RX at D. Construct angle REY equal to 90 degree at E. With E as center, draw an arc of radius 5.1 centimeter to intersect ray EY at A. Draw DA. READ is the required square. Now, this is the step of second question, rhombus one. Draw a line segment AC equal to 6.4 centimeter with A as center and radius more than half of AC. Draw arc on both the sides of AC. Third step, with C as center and same radius, draw arcs on both the sides of AC. Join the points of intersection to get the perpendicular bisector. With O as center and radius 2.6 centimeter, draw arc on both the sides of AC. Name the point of intersection as B and D. Join AB, BC, CD and DA. ABCD is the required rhombus. So as I told yesterday, first question, then rough diagram, then original diagram, then step. Like that you have to copy and complete the diagram. We will meet again tomorrow. Thank you.